What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? TGIF. Happy Friday. Today, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin ETF numbers so we can all get happy. And we're also going to look at a crypto that I'm still trying to accumulate more of. I have accumulated what I think is a nice little bag called Soonverse. I put it in your radar, talked about it. It's a gaming play. And it's such a low cap that I think this thing could really fly in the next bull run. So I'm going to bring it to your attention again, right? I want us all to make a lot of money in crypto. And so without further ado, let's do this. And I think the opportunity will present itself to make a lot of money in crypto. Okay. I'm pretty sure I am on the path to that personally, and well, that path I have been sharing with you guys. Hopefully you guys have been paying attention. All right, so Bitcoin ETF. This is something that should make you bullish. Start off with this guy. This guy, you gotta follow this guy at HODL15 Capital. Dude is really good with information on the Bitcoin ETFs. Just Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF hit 2.5 billion assets under management with 60,055 Bitcoin held in just 15 days. Oh, but oh no, the Bitcoin ETFs were a major dud, right? Not. All right, check this out. This is also him. I like to share his stuff because it's good. You've seen this chart before, right? This is all and he collects all this information. All right, so it's not completely accurate, but damn, it's really good. All right, so it's fairly accurate, guys. Okay. Obviously, all the ETFs, including Grayscale, is at the bottom. Grayscale is noteworthy because before Grayscale actually had a fund. It wasn't an ETF, but it was something similar. And that's why they have so much Bitcoin. Okay. And this number right here is what we're going to focus on, okay? All of these other 9, because there's 9, 3, 6, 9. All of these other 9 ETFs have accumulated a total of 175,430 ETFs since January 9th, okay? Since January 9th up to February 1st. Okay, this is up to February 1st, so up to yesterday. Okay, collecting the data on this is apparently very hard and still old school, so that's why it's not completely up to date. And it's so ironic considering we're tracking sales of Bitcoin, which is like the perfect way to track everything, right? As far as finances are concerned, just the perfect digital money. Anyways, enough of my commentary. So Grayscale has sold during that time, right, up until February 1st, since the inception of the ETFs, basically 140,855. They have sold 148,855 Bitcoin, and they're probably going to sell some more. But the good thing is, as I mentioned, these 9 right here have bought during that time 175,430 Bitcoins for a net positive of 34,575. Let's go back to the chart now. Right? We are oscillating right here, essentially just a sideways pattern, right? Here is the Bitcoin halving, 674 days away. Okay, right now that day is around 16th of April. Could it be that we just do that all the way? I mean, that would be the most boring thing possible, but yeah, it's completely possible. And after that, it's just this long consolidation, I think it's just gonna be huge up. Now, because of the numbers that we just saw here, right, this is gonna keep selling, and this is gonna keep going. This is gonna diminish, right, eventually, because they're not gonna sell all 478,365 Bitcoin that they hold, right? Probably not. So at some point, these sales are gonna stop, and they would definitely stop if they got their head out of their butts and not charge a 1.5% fee compared to what everyone else is charging, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.19, 0.3. I mean, come on now. What's up with these guys? That doesn't make sense. Anyways, so there it is, guys. This is extremely bullish. How I see it into the future is that this number is going to keep going up. Obviously, there are going to be weeks of slow sales, just like everything else, ebbs and flows. But for the most part, the number is going to continue to go up, and for the most part, we are going to eventually. That's why I think we're going to eventually grind up and go up to this next step, and stay above this next step, which is 44,754. That's where we have to get to. When we're here, we were kind of grinding up, trying to get there. Boom, we didn't. We failed. And then we lost it, but we didn't want to get below 40, right? And now bouncing off of that, coming back up to see if that's good enough, if we have good enough strength to just hit it and go and finally make it over. We're gonna try. I don't know if we get it on the first try. Maybe we come back down, you know, do something like this, stay around it, pop back up, or get rejected and we come right back down here, test this one more time to see what's going on, and eventually do something and come back and test it. And eventually we're gonna break out of here, you know, whether it's around here, whether it's around here. I'm thinking probably around here somewhere. Eventually we'll break out, maybe even earlier, hopefully, and we're gonna be up in these levels, closer to 50,000, guys. Okay, up in these levels right here, which is like 44,000 and up, 44,700 and up. All right, that's how I see it. All right, so that's Bitcoin. That's the Bitcoin ETFs. Man, things are looking pretty damn bullish. As far as I'm concerned, we're heading into the 2 best years of crypto as far as I've seen it, as far as I see it. Soonverse. All right, Soonverse. Here we go. 214,000 followers. All right, rabid support behind it. We go here. I mean, this is Soon mission. These are just people just chilling. 146 members in there. All right, that's a rabid following, and that's exactly what we want. Soonverse official, 44,000. People be talking it up in here. I thought there was a unofficial Soon one. Could have sworn I was in it, like a Soon priced. Wonder if I got kicked out or something. What the heck? I don't think so, but anyways, yeah. But I've had some interesting conversations in here. I've followed it. Looks really good. I mean, as far as that's concerned, and that's needed, a good community. All right. If we put in Soon right here, if you do that, see what people are saying about it. 5 hours ago, talking about Soon. 40 top tweeted last 24 hours. Soon is in there. Boom, right there. Boom, boom. This guy loves talking about it. Invest you, definitely. And he's got he was on Creo, so I mean I think he's got a pretty decent record, and he's got some good information on Soon. So don't worry, we'll look at the chart. Here it is. All right, so I mean the project has a lot of factors. Has a lot of factors. I mean, it's in gaming. Okay, looks good on Twitter. There's a lot of people behind it, and that's gonna bode well. On YouTube, are there a lot of people talking about it? Let's take a look real quick. Let's put in Soon Crypto, and this is how we do some research, guys. All right, into these projects. Doing it real time live for you. 3 weeks ago, a guy in Spanish. Not really. So I mean, that's not necessarily a bad thing, okay? Because it starts here. It starts here in Twitter, and it's starting here in Twitter with Soon, and eventually it will get there. Once it gets here, you missed out a little bit, but still not completely. So let's take a look, especially if you find the right channels, because there are guys that actually will put out information relatively. I'm one of them. Soon. Let's look it up right here. Soonverse. Oh no, that's not it. Careful there. Soonverse is what we're looking for. I know this says Soonaverse. Here we go, right here. Soonverse. The little dolphins, all right? $1.3 million market cap, guys. $1.3 million market cap. An integrated Web3 games and metaverse accelerator and incubator. Cool little niche, right? Into gaming. Trying to help other projects take off. And if they help other projects take off, they will also take off, guys. Site looks pretty good. 1.3 million market cap, guys. I'm very, very bullish on this project. Total supply 730, but here's the thing, okay? Even though right now circulating supply tokenomics look like garbage, they're gonna burn 70% of this total supply. Okay, so they're gonna burn 70% of this. So really the tokenomics are really damn good. I mean, under 10 million basically. I think like 3 million. I think there's like a 3 million market cap. Don't quote me because my math is horrible, but something along those lines. The tokenomics are actually really good if once they burn all 70% of the total supply. All right, so, and you wouldn't know this unless you follow them on Twitter. I mean, all this goings on of soon on Twitter or in here in these chats. But man, that's so weird. I could have sworn I was in a Sinverse unofficial like price talk community. Strange. All right. Anyways, looks good. Now let's look at the chart really quick. And now just made a mention to you about the tokenomics. The tokenomics are way better than what it says here, right? So don't let this scare you. The tokenomics are actually really good. This project is actually, as far as I can see, it really good. Now let's take a look at the chart. It's my average buy. It's my average buy. I found out about it a little late. I would like to buy if it drops back down here at 0.01. I really would, but we'll see. And plus I need capital right now. I'm actually really tapped out as far as capital. I can get access to it, but I mean, I'm only going to do that if Bitcoin and the crypto market drop way more than what it is right now, because I'm well positioned. I'm already up like 100% on my portfolio, you know. So now, but when I see projects and I'm drawn to a project and I think it has a lot of potential, I don't know. Once I review it, I don't know, I get a feeling. It's just a gut thing, and it's been pretty good. It's been pretty good to me, and I get it from this one. Soonverse, similar to Sinverse. Soonverse is going to be a winner, and it doesn't even have to go really high as far as market cap to do 100x, 1.3 million, 3 million. I mean, 300 million, let's say, using the full supply, 300 million to get to 100x. Imagine to get to $1 billion, and I think it being in the right sector, it catching some heat, is catching a few good projects, maybe, definitely will cause it to even go higher. I mean, I can envision a project like this doing $1 billion, especially at the height of a bull run, and this next bull run is gonna be stupendous. It's gonna be awesome as far as I'm concerned, just in my opinion. It's gonna be awesome, and so I don't think it is out of the realm of possibility for a project like Soonverse to do $1 billion in market cap, which would be, you know, at current levels, what, 300x, a little over 300x. Hell yeah, that'll help your portfolio. That'll help your life financially. I'll leave it there. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. It would be greatly appreciated. I'm trying to grow this channel and trying to reach as many people as possible regarding the good word. And that the good word is crypto. Crypto is the way. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Actually, no, I will not talk to you guys tomorrow because it's the weekend. So I will talk to you guys Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.